If you love the look of fondant but you hate the taste, then try using modeling chocolate instead. It looks like fondant, but it tastes like chocolate. And it's made with just 2 ingredients. However, as simple as the recipe might be, you need to know the tips and tricks to make it smooth and pliable so that it doesn't become greasy, hard, or crumbly. In this video course, I'm going to teach you my method for making perfectly smooth, nice and elastic, delicious tasting modeling chocolate that is so easy to use. I'm Beth Klosterbor, and I've been a chocolatier for over 30 years. I have made thousands of batches of modeling chocolate. It's my absolute favorite medium for decorating cakes, cookies, Rice Krispie treats, chocolate boxes, and more, and I know you're going to love it. By the time you finish this course, you are going to be an expert at making modeling chocolate at home. In video 1, I'm going to show you the basic modeling chocolate recipe using semi-sweet pure chocolate. Then in video 2, I'm going to show you the subtle differences when you make modeling chocolate using compound chocolate, which is also known as candy melts, confectionery coating, almond bark, or melting wafers. In video 3, you're going to learn what happens when your modeling chocolate is stored for several months and it becomes really hard. This is going to happen, and I'm going to teach you how to fix that and how to make it pliable again. Then I'm going to show you what happens and why your modeling chocolate becomes greasy, and more importantly, how to fix it. In video 4, you're going to learn all about coloring your modeling chocolate. Then in video 5, the fun starts. We're going to learn how to make decorations using silicone molds and clay extruders and impression mats and more. As an added bonus, when you purchase this modeling chocolate course, you'll also receive access to over 20 commercial-free video tutorials where I show you how to make decorations using the modeling chocolate. In addition to the video lessons, you'll also have access to printed course materials featuring a supply list, recipes, and written instructions. Also, when you purchase any one of my chocolate making courses, you will be invited to join my private Facebook group, where you can share pictures of your modeling chocolate decorations, ask questions, and directly connect with me. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started learning how to make modeling chocolate.